Hey Joe, in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of editing in Descript. I hope you'll find it helpful. Start by opening the internet and go to Descript.com. Start a new project by clicking New Project and select Video Project. To import your first video, click on the big square on the left of the screen. A screen will pop up, and here you can select the file you want to work on. When you have selected the file, a screen will pop up, and here you can select how many people are talking in the clip and select what language they are talking. If you need to import other files, you'll need to go to Project in the top right corner and click the little plus sign in the window that appeared. For each file you import, a preview window will pop up. They don't do much, so we can just ignore them. Close them by hitting the X in the top right corner. On the left side of the screen, you have a transcript of the speech in the video. You can use it to navigate to a specific spot on the timeline. If you click on this button in the lower left corner, the timeline will appear. This is your main working space when editing your video. Over here, you have the basic editing tool, including the two most used, the cutting tool and the standard mouse tool. To make a cut in your video, you simply select the cutting tool. Go to the place on the timeline you want to cut and click on it. Now the timeline is split in two, and you can delete the part you don't want. If you want to add other clips to your video, you simply go to the file list in the Projects window. Select the file you want and drag and drop them onto the timeline. The timeline can be expanded by dragging the line, separating it from the other windows. This gives you room to add elements on top of each other. The size and placement on the screen of each element in the timeline can be adjusted in the Video Preview window. Now you know the basics of editing videos in Descript. The last thing you need to know is how to undo mistakes. Pressing Ctrl+Z will undo the last edit you made. When you are happy with your video, you can export it by going to the Projects window and hover over the file in the Compositions list at the top of the window. When you do, three dots will appear. If you click them, a list will pop up, and here you can click Export. In the next window that appear is where you can choose the quality of the final video. As a rule of thumb, they should always be at highest settings. When you click Export, it gives you the option to name the video and choose where on your computer to save it. When you are done, just click Save and wait for the file to render. It can take some time for the file to fully load. Now you know everything you need to get started editing. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.